Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to make all-in-one Windows bootable ISO file. So in this tutorial we are using WinAIO Maker Professional. It's a free tool and download link you can find in description. So let's download and extract it somewhere. In my case, I'm extract this folder in my desktop and open WinAIO Maker Professional 1.3. So to edit Windows image or edition, we need to download clean image file or ISO file from Microsoft official site. To edit ISO, we need to first extract ISO to folder. To click here and select your ISO. In this tutorial, we are going to editing Windows 7 and Windows 10, both 64 and 32-bit operating system ISO file. So first I select Windows 7 64-bit Ultimate Edition and select the destination folder, whose folder this software automatically extract all the resources. So I creating different folder for different operating system ISO file. After pressing extract button, you need to wait some moment and let's check everything extract successfully. It's look like everything extract successfully. Now select different image, Windows 7 32-bit, and extract a different folder. Now similarly extract Windows 10 32-bit and also 64-bit and extract in a different folder. Now our whole Windows image extracts successfully. Let's check. Here is our whole Windows extracted image file and look like everything okay. Now we need to select Wims sources file from our extracted folder. Now click select Wims and need to find install.wim sources from sources folder. Select Windows 7 and click sources and select install.wim. Now you can see the Windows 7 edition and select another install.wim. Similarly select Windows 10 and Windows 10 64-bit. Now we can see all edition of Windows 10 and 7, both 86 or 64-bit image. So you can delete any of this edition from this Wim sources file. After all edit, we need to enable 64-bit recovery mode for Windows 64-bit ASO file. Without enable it, we cannot load Windows 64-bit, and sometimes we get some error in when we boot Windows 7. So our whole work done here. Now you need to put a name for this project. And after all edits, you need to save all change button, and it will take some time for modifying install.wim sources file, so wait a little bit. Now it asks for remove CFG or CLG configuration file for enabling all in-on features, so press yes. Now need to save this edit file to AIO and put a level and select the destination folder. In my case, save it in my hard disk because all of the source file need more space than original one. So click make ISO and wait for some time. Now our job is done, and press OK and close software. Now check it if everything saved properly. Now see, this is our modified all-in-one Windows file, and you can now use in any bootable software.